Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, I'm Zubair Ahmed, your lecturer at Najam Academy. You didn't eat all day, but did you control your tongue? You avoided food, but did you avoid gossip? Because Ramadan is not just about hunger, it's about the heart. And if your character does not change, your fasting is incomplete. Allah says in the Holy Qur'an, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قد أفلح من زكاها. Successful indeed is the one who purifies his soul. Ramadan is purification, not of the stomach, but of the soul. And Allah says, وَقُولُوا لِلنَّاسِ حُسْنًا, and speak to people kindly. It's mentioned in Surah Al-Baqarah. Kind words are worship. Gentle speech is worship. Character is worship. The Prophet ﷺ said, إِنَّمَا بُعِثْتُ لِأُتَمِّمَ صَالِحَ الْأَخْلَاقِ. I was sent only to perfect good character. It's mentioned in Ahmed, book of Hadith. It is not just rituals. It is refinement. It is discipline. It is mercy in action. And the Prophet ﷺ also warned us, من لم يدع قول الزور والعمل به فليس لله حاجة في أن يدع طعامه وشرابه. Whoever does not leave false speech and bad actions, Allah has no need for him to leave his food and drink. It's mentioned in Bukhari. That is powerful. If you fast but still lie, still insult, still argue, we miss the purpose. The companion said the Prophet ﷺ had the best character of anyone they had ever seen. He smiled often. He forgave easily. He treated everyone with dignity. Ramadan did not just increase his worship, it increased his kindness. That is the Sunnah. Here is your day 4 research. Number 1, control your tongue. No gossip. No arguing, no bad words. Number 2, smile at people. Kindness is sadaqah. Number 3, forgive someone today. Number 4, do one hidden good deeds that only Allah knows. Real fasting changes behavior. Real fasting softens the heart. Some people ask, can I brush my teeth while I'm fasting? Yes, you may brush your teeth, but be careful not to swallow water or toothpaste. The fast is broken only if something reaches the stomach intentionally, so brush carefully. But if you are using miswak, it is recommended and it is best, and your fast will not be broken. Islam is practical. Cleanliness is part of faith. Say this dua. Allahumma hdini li ahsan al-akhlaq, la yahdi li ahsaniha illa anta, wasrif anni sayyi'aha, la yasrif anni sayyi'aha illa anta. Allah, guide me to the best character. None can guide it except you. Turn me away from bad character. None can turn me away from it except you. Make this your Ramadan dua. This Ramadan, don't just change your schedule, change your character, because the best Muslims are the best in manners. You can pray all night, you can fast all day, but if your character shines, that is real transformation. Begin today with Bismillah. Jazakallah khairah for watching and listening. Ma'as salam.